In this video, I am going to explain two brilliant acupuncture points which are UB59 Fu Yang or Foot Bone Yang and UB60 which is also known as Kunlun or Kunlun Mountains. UB59 is a Chiclef point and is used in acute conditions. UB60 is used in chronic conditions. So let's start with UB59. UB59 acupuncture point is also known as Pu Yang in Chinese and Foot Bone Yang or Instep Yang in English. It is a Chiclef point or accumulation point of Yang Kiao Mai vessel or heel vessel. UB59 regulates yang energy and removes obstructions from the meridian. As the accumulation point where blood and qi gather, it nourishes, invigorates and tonifies the yang kiao mai vessel. This point strengthens the muscles and makes movement easier. All Chiclef points are useful for invigorating or dispersing pain or obstruction along the particular channel on which they are found and are much used in acute conditions. Being the Chiclef point or accumulation point of the Yang Kiao Mai vessel, which is about mobility, being able to stand and move with vigor and precision, and the ability to raise one's legs up, explain its effects of increasing range of movement. This connection to the Yang Kiao Mai vessel is why UB59 affects the side of the leg, including the muscle tone, and can absorb excess yang qi and wind from the head. Hence, the use of this point for facial paralysis and seizures, and also for paralysis of lower limbs and multiple sclerosis. It can also release the exterior and expel pathogenic factors. UB59 is frequently used distal point for lower backache, especially chronic backache with weakness of leg and foot, and also weakness of leg and foot in multiple sclerosis and paralysis. The connection with the yang extraordinary vessel and indirectly with its partner vessel, the yin extraordinary vessels, help explain why it is not only a great point for detoxifying body, mind and spirit through its ability to absorb excess yang from the head and release the exterior, but the yin and yang pairing also have a role to play in balancing yin and yang throughout the body and help to re-establish the natural rhythms and cycles in the person. The influence of yang brings cleansing to all parts of the body, mind and spirit, whether excreting putrid body fluids, perspiration and urine at the level of the body, or help cleanse the mind and spirit of the distrust, suspicion and paranoia that can occur when the bladder becomes contaminated. When instead of seeing the wonder of life, all a person can see is dark, dirtiness and dullness and threat, UB59 can help balance this experience. It also helps strengthens the back. Then comes UB60 acupuncture point, also known as Kunlun in Chinese and Kunlun Mountain in English. It is a fire point, Jing River point. UB60 as the fire point on the water meridian can help regulate the fire aspect of the bladder. As with every other official, in order to be able to carry out its responsibilities, the bladder needs to have sufficient purity, vitality and equable temperature. If the urinary bladder is too sluggish and hot, it can become dried up and toxic. Cold not only makes one physically cold but also tense and contracted. Communication can become staccato, intense or withdrawn. If the person lacks the yang energy of fire to do anything but stagnate and sink into despair, here you can bring the vitality, expansiveness and illumination of fire to purify and brighten their outlook. Fire is about purification. If this combines with cleansing power of water, the illumination and maturity of fire mingling with the wisdom of water, it is a powerful combination for the mind and spirit, bringing development and insight. As a distal point on the urinary bladder meridian, it can affect the opposite end, the head, to clear symptoms. Frequently used as a distal point for backache, particularly chronic deficiency type backache, multiple sclerosis and paralysis. As a partner meridian of Tai Yang, the areas it can affect are back, shoulders, neck and occiput. Tai Yang can expel wind, thereby easing stiffness, headaches and internal wind convulsions. It effect on the occiput eases kidney deficiency type headaches. UB60 moves the blood so can help with painful menses from blood stagnation. As the fire point, it can also clear heat and pull down yang energy. Clears internal heat from the urinary bladder and so helps with painful burning urinations. It promotes labor due to its ability to bring down yang. As a Jing River point, it can ease operation and fullness of the chest, breathing difficulties and cough. It clears heat, expels wind. It activates and removes obstruction from the meridian, eases pain, relaxes the sinews, strengthens the back and regulates the blood. It is indicated for depression, loss of sparkle and vitality, childhood convulsions, epilepsy and madness.